What's going on, everybody? David here. Today we're talking travel rewards credit cards. Today's credit card is the Wells Fargo CashWise Visa card. First off, if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the little bell icon so you can get future updates on my videos. Okay, so this card won't take that long to go over. It's a Wells Fargo card. It's a pretty standard cashback card. So let's look at some of the benefits here. So you get a $200 cash reward bonus. That's after spending $1,000 within the first 3 months. So that's not too bad. And the annual fee, there's no annual fee, so you never have to pay an annual fee on this card, so that's really good. The earn possibility here is 1.5% cash reward, so that's across the board, so you don't have to worry about different categories. Everything is listed. You don't have to worry about getting 3% here, 2% there, 1% there. It's 1.5 across the board. Now, if you use Android Pay or Apple Pay, you'll get 1.8% cash rewards, and that's in the first 12 months. So they're really pushing you to use those platforms, so the Android Pay or Apple Pay. Now, looking down the list here, cell phone protection. This is something that's pretty interesting. So if you use this card to pay your monthly bill, monthly cell phone bill, then you'll qualify for this protection. And this is mainly for if your phone gets damaged or if your phone gets stolen. Up to $600 is the protection that you'll have, and I think you can use it twice a year, so it's up to $1,200 a year in a 12-month period. So you want to check out the fine print on that, because I think if you do lose your phone, it depends, you might not qualify. So check the fine print. You get FICO score, so that's nice. It has a chip technology, so that's also nice. Now, I don't see anything where it says anything about foreign transaction fees, so you might have to pay a foreign transaction fee, which really negates using it if you're traveling out of the country. Okay, so that's pretty much all I have. If you have any comments, please post them below. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.